What is going on, beautiful people of the internet? What I have here today is one of my favorite boxes. Of course, it's an Amazon Prime box. I ordered a kit. It's by Neewer. What's inside is two CN-216 LED video lights and also two mini light stands. So we're gonna open up and check it out today. Now, prior to making this purchase, I was looking around at other brands. I finally decided upon the brand and I decided to go with the CN-216 by Neewer. Then I saw the bundle deal on Amazon and I was like, yep, that's what I'm getting for just under $80. I was able to get both Neewer CN-216 LED lights and of course the two mini light stands, which was a plus for me. It is running around $79.99 and it is also offered on Amazon Prime, so of course that's a huge plus, and it also has a free 1-day delivery. Now do remember the CN-216 has a widescreen design, so you are going to get a little bit of a brighter effect once you're shooting your video. Now it does come with a diffuser filter and a yellow filter, that way you could adjust the color temperature of your light, so that is optional. You do have that option with this. Now, taking a look at the mini light stands, they do feel like they are high quality. I do like how they feel, and they do extend up to 32 inches. And not only does it extend up to 32 inches, but it also has a pivoting head, and you're able to adjust the light either up or down, giving you the perfect angle for your light. One of the only things I did not like about this is that it takes 6 AA batteries. Now that's ridiculous, 6 AA batteries. Now if you guys don't want to use the 6 AA batteries, there are a lot of other solutions to that. There are a lot of rechargeable batteries, and I actually bought one, which was the F550, and I will leave a link in the description below showing you how I unbox it and my review on it. But the important thing here is, do remember they do not come with any batteries, so you do have to purchase the batteries separately. But on the plus side, it does have a battery power indicator located under the battery compartment, and that tells you your battery life. So I do like that a lot. And something else I do like is that it has a rotating knob to dim the brightness or turn on and off the light. And I do have a quick video coming up where you can see the brightness of the light. Now this was basically an unboxing and my opinion on them. But if you want me to upload a in-depth review and or zoom in on certain particular areas, just let me know. But any type of question you guys might have, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.